A law that protects consumers' right to repair their own tech. The state of New York passed it last year, and it comes into force this July. But it remains a contentious issue, with many tech firms worried about the increased risk of intellectual property theft. William Denslow reports from New York.
A cracked screen or damaged device can be a costly problem to have. Repairs can set you back hundreds of dollars. Sending a device back to the manufacturer can also take weeks and will often be replaced rather than fixed.
Things are designed in a way where you just throw them out when they break and you go buy a new one. This is what manufacturers are looking to do. This is what big companies, big retailers or big tech firms are looking to do.
Electronic device repair company LaptopMD has been in business since 1999. The owner says his is an ailing industry. Tech manufacturers have made it harder for businesses like this to carry out repairs.
We cannot get any schematics. We can, for example, if I would like to call a company, a manufacturer, and order a simple battery, I cannot do it because they will not sell to me. I need to be an authorized repair center.
Efforts are underway in New York to give consumers greater powers to fix their own electronics. In December, Governor Kathy Hochul signed the Digital Fair Repair Act. When it comes into effect this summer, consumers will have the ability to obtain things like spare parts and manuals from manufacturers. Many hope that more competition will lead to cheaper repair costs, but some warn exemptions carved into the bill leaves too many loopholes, with older devices left out.
It's kind of a half-baked law. Consumers will definitely benefit. Anybody that's buying a cell phone or a laptop or a tablet is probably going to see that they have a lot more options for repair come July. But the other problem is that they started the implementation July 1 for equipment that isn't built until July 1.
And it's not just right-to-repair advocates who have reservations. Some tech manufacturers and critics of the legislation argue that it raises the risk of intellectual property theft and could jeopardise the quality of repairs. Analysts say there are distinctions between fixing a broken screen and changing how a device functions.
If you're, quote-unquote, repairing your operating system, right, now you're repairing software as opposed to hardware, well, that's, then, yeah, they should have concerns about their IP, right? They should be concerned that people are just installing rogue operating systems on their devices, right? So absolutely, they should have concerns about that, and they wouldn't want that.
Silberman and other advocates believe that argument is just an excuse. It's a thorny subject, and last year lawmakers failed to pass similar legislation in California. Now supporters of New York's right to repair law hope it will be a first step, and that other states will move towards fixing what they see as a broken system. William Denslow, CNA, New York.